And welcome back. So we had a lot of sunshine across the region, but a very cold air mass has been over us with the last couple of days, high temperatures staying into the low to mid 30s. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse in North Platte. As we put this into motion, you're barely going to see a cloud in the sky as we meet our way through the entire day. And we kept mainly clear skies, just a few passing clouds out there right now. Here's a look at the high temperatures. So we only made it to 31 at North Platte and Ogallala, upper 20s at Lexington, Imperial, upper 20s also at Broken Bow, Thedford, and Valentine. Should be around 50 this time of year, so we're almost 20 degrees below where we should be. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So as soon as the sun set, temperatures fell to around 20 degrees, and we have stayed near that level all the way now until around the 10 p.m. hour from North Platte out toward Broken Bow, near 20 at Thedford and Valentine, 22 at Lexington, but cooler air out toward Hyannis, Ogallala, and Imperial with only low to mid-teens right now. There's your wind mainly from a westerly direction. Wind speeds still up there a little. A light breeze will say 10 to 15 miles per hour, giving us some frigid wind chills once again into our western counties and down toward McCook. Wind chill values between 0 and 2 degrees, so prepare for that if you're making your way outside. Across most of the rest of the viewing area, wind chill values between 5 and 10. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. So we spent the entire day without any cloud cover, and there's a very thin band of clouds right now stretching from Ogallala through North Platte and out into Custer County, but those clouds shouldn't do much. Any of the clouds or even some snow showers should stay off to our north. This cold high pressure system really in charge of our forecast. We were really on its cool side as we made our way through the last 48 hours or so. Main weather maker across the country, this low pressure system that gave a lot of snow to the northern plains, Midwest, and Northeast. Still a lake effect producer with that cool breeze over the Great Lakes, but we got a dual high pressure system setting up right now. This high to our west is going to be in charge. It's a warmer high, and eventually we'll get back to sunshine, nice warm up to round out the weekend and start next week. So as we make our way through the rest of the overnight, temperatures falling back into the mid-teens as we do have mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, and then we're back to near 40 degrees for a high temperature as we go through the day tomorrow with mostly sunny skies once again. Winds flipping around a little bit more to a southwesterly flow, so we'll start off Sunday morning near 20, and by the time we get into Sunday afternoon, we're going to be into the upper 40s and maybe even some lower 50s from the I-80 corridor and points off to the south. Still, we are mainly dry. Once again, barely a cloud in the sky as we finish out the work week and go through the entire weekend. We'll have that dual high pressure system. The very cold air mass is working its way away from us. This secondary high pressure system is a lot warmer, still continuing to give us a good amount of sunshine, and a stronger southerly flow sets up, and that'll get temperatures back into the lower 50s as we start next week. Here's a look at the temperature outlook. This is for November 24 through 28. Have a 50 to 60% chance of being above average in terms of temperatures. Average temperatures to round out November are going to fall into the upper 40s, so we look to be above that to round out November, and this dry weather pattern is back, still around a 40 to 60% chance of being below average in terms of temperatures. So any snow shower activity should stay into the northern plains, Midwest. This cold air that's over us right now will move off to the east, and finally we get into this ridge in the jet stream that will warm us up nicely as we stay dry through the rest of the week. So a high of 40 tomorrow, a little breezy, westerly winds though, and lots of sunshine. Sunny skies, lower 50s Sunday and Monday, and 53-year high with mostly sunny skies on Tuesday. Wind picks up, breezy to windy Wednesday and Thursday. Still mostly sunny to partly cloudy as temperatures fall from the lower 50s into the upper 40s, and then all the way into the upper 50s on Friday with mostly sunny skies. Ian?
Thank you so much, Justin. Now let me ask you this. So as we look at temperatures being cooler, are we looking at any record setters coming up pretty soon?
Probably not. Not in the lower 50s is probably not going to set a record because we can really get warm this time of year, especially with sunshine.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Justin. And today marks the start of the busy Thanksgiving travel season with the bottom of the with both the